Unlock the boundless creative power lurking within your Canon Eos 2000d by taking the reins in full manual mode. First, locate the mode dial on top of your camera, rotate it to the M setting. This is your gateway to manual control. Now, let's tackle aperture. This controls the depth of field in your photos. To adjust it, simply rotate the main dial located near the shutter button. Next up is shutter speed, which dictates how long your camera's sensor is exposed to light. To change this, hold down the AV button, usually found on the back of the camera, and then rotate the main dial again. Finally, we have ISO, your camera's sensitivity to light. To adjust ISO, press the ISO button on the top of your camera, and then rotate the main dial to cycle through the different settings. By mastering aperture, shutter speed, and ISO, you gain precise control over your image's exposure and artistic feel, allowing you to craft your vision exactly as you intend. Experiment, practice, and watch your photographic potential soar.